The medical X-ray table is mainly used to assist doctors to take pictures of patients. It can be used for standing, lying, lateral and kilovolt photography of patient's head, chest, abdomen, limbs and bones. It can also be used with X-ray generator and radiator. Many customers recently asked us about the price of the medical X-ray table. Today, let's talk about the mobile medical X-ray table that can be used for both medical diagnosis and pet diagnosis. This medical X-ray table is a movable medical X-ray table with 4 wheels. It can be easily moved. It can be used together with mobile X-ray machine and portable X-ray machine. The wheels have foot brakes, which can easily fix the table, so as to avoid the table deviation caused by the wrong touch during the filming process. If you are interested in our mobile medical X-ray table, please feel free to contact us.